Most people think the biggest technological breakthroughs are still years away. They're not. 8 inventions already exist right now that are quietly rewriting the rules of transportation, construction, labor, and the environment. None of them made the evening news. All of them are already working in the real world. And at least one of them will directly affect your life within the next 5 years. Technology does not announce itself. It does not wait for permission. It simply arrives. And by the time most people notice, it has already changed the conditions of daily life in ways that cannot be reversed. What you are about to see is not a preview of the future.
They're not coming in the future, they're already here, operating quietly in systems most people never notice. What you're about to see are the 8 inventions reshaping everything around us.
These are not concepts sitting in a research lab waiting for funding. Every invention on this list has been tested, deployed, or is already operating in real-world conditions right now. 8 inventions, each one targeting a different problem. Each one representing years of engineering, capital, and ambition compressed into something that actually works. We will move through them in order, from remarkable to world-altering. By the time we reach number 1, the scale of what is already possible will be difficult to argue with. Some of these machines move people. Some build shelter. Some replace human labor entirely. And one of them is quietly solving what many scientists consider the most urgent environmental crisis of our generation.
This looks like science fiction, but it's already flying in real-world tests. And that changes the timeline completely.
The question is not whether these inventions will change the world. They already are. Starting with number 8. The Volanaut airbike. Most personal transport innovations promise a revolution and deliver a slightly better version of what already exists. The airbike is different. This is a real rideable vehicle that hovers more than 10 feet off the ground and reaches speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. No runway. No launch pad. It lifts from wherever it stands using high-power turbines generating vertical and horizontal thrusts simultaneously.
The important part isn't that this flies. It's that engineers are designing it to be operated almost as naturally as a motorcycle.
The rider controls it the way you would a motorcycle, intuitively with minimal training required. The applications go well beyond novelty. Emergency response in areas no ground vehicle can reach. Urban transport where road infrastructure has collapsed. The airbike has already been tested with real riders in real conditions. This is not a render. Not a concept. It flies. And number 7 makes it look simple.
Most people still think personal flight belongs in science fiction, but the engineering problems are already being solved one by one.
Number 7. The Whisk Gen 6. The flying taxi has been promised for years. Most projects produced impressive renderings and little else. Whisk produced an aircraft. The Gen 6 is fully autonomous. No pilot. No remote operator. No human intervention of any kind. Its artificial intelligence system manages navigation, obstacle detection, and emergency response entirely on its own. It carries up to 2 passengers and operates with precision in dense urban environments. What separates Whisk from every other electric aircraft on the market is certification. Whisk is in advanced stages of FAA approval, which would make it the first certified autonomous air taxi in history.
This isn't a prototype anymore. This is moving through certification, the final step before public deployment becomes real.
You get in. You state your destination. You arrive. No license required. No controls to learn. No pilot to pay. The infrastructure of personal air travel is closer than most people are willing to believe. Number 6 changes the factory floor forever. Number 6. The Figure 03. Humanoid robots have been demonstrated in controlled environments for years. Impressive on a stage. Useless in the real world. Figure 03 is neither of those things. This robot walks, crouches, lifts, opens doors, operates tools, and executes complex work sequences. Not in a lab, but on an active industrial floor. Its AI system learns new tasks with minimal instruction and adapts in real time when conditions change unexpectedly. BMW has already signed an agreement to deploy Figure 03 units on its production lines. Not as a pilot program. Not as a future commitment. No. This is the line that matters. We are no longer asking whether robots will enter the workforce. That question has been answered. We are now asking how quickly and how many. Number 5 is already at your front door. Number 5. Amazon Prime Air 30 Malawian kwaches. Amazon has been attempting drone delivery for nearly a decade. Early versions were fragile, weather-dependent, and operationally limited. The 30 Malawian kwaches is a different machine entirely. This drone delivers packages weighing up to 5 pounds directly to your backyard in under 60 minutes from the moment you place the order. It flies through rain, wind, and conditions that grounded every previous model. Its obstacle detection system identifies and avoids people, animals, power lines, and other drones in real time. It is also significantly quieter than its predecessors. A deliberate engineering decision that makes residential operation practical rather than disruptive. No driver. No fuel. No traffic. The cost per delivery drops sharply. So does the weight. For the logistics industry, this is not an upgrade. It is a complete structural replacement. Number 4 is the one nobody saw coming.
The breakthrough here isn't the drone itself. It's the fact that autonomous delivery is finally becoming reliable enough for everyday residential use.
Number 4. The Throwflame Therminator. This is the one that stops people mid-scroll. A 4-legged robotic platform, built for stability across uneven terrain, stairs, and difficult surfaces, with a high-powered flamethrower mounted on top. A robot dog that projects fire. Remotely controlled. Commercially available right now. Before the obvious questions arise, the applications are more serious than the description suggests. Controlled burns for wildfire prevention. Ice and snow removal from critical infrastructure. Agricultural pest control in areas too dangerous or too large for manual treatment. It is legal. It is on the market. And it starts at $9,400. What makes the Therminator genuinely significant is not the flamethrower. It is the question it forces. There are no federal laws preventing a private citizen from owning one. That conversation is only just beginning. Number 3 gives ordinary people extraordinary physical capability.
The real story isn't the fire. It's the fact that highly capable robotic systems like this are already entering civilian ownership with almost no legal framework around them.
Number 3. The Sarco's Guardian XO. The human body has physical limits. This machine ignores them. The Guardian XO is a full-body exoskeleton that fits around the operator and amplifies every movement. Lifting, carrying, pushing, holding. A person wearing it can handle 200 pounds with the same effort it takes to lift a grocery bag. The suit absorbs and distributes the mechanical load. The operator simply moves. 8 hours of battery life. No external cables. Designed to be put on and taken off without assistance. Heavy manufacturing, construction, warehouse logistics, and defense are already adopting it. But the detail that matters most is this. Age and physical condition become largely irrelevant inside the suit. An older worker performs at the same output level as someone decades younger. The human body just received a significant hardware upgrade. Number 2 is rebuilding the world one brick at a time.
What this changes isn't just strength. It's who gets to do this kind of work. Physical limits are no longer the deciding factor.
Number 2. The Hadrian X. Construction is one of the oldest industries on Earth. It is also one of the slowest to change. The Hadrian X is changing it anyway. This machine builds the complete wall structure of a house in under 48 hours. Alone. No crew. No brakes. No errors from fatigue. A telescopic robotic arm mounted on a truck lays bricks with millimeter-level precision, applies exactly the right amount of adhesive, and follows digital architectural blueprints in real time. It has already been deployed on real construction projects. The problem it addresses is not small. The world faces a severe housing deficit. Construction labor is increasingly scarce and expensive. Traditional building timelines are measured in months. The Hadrian X measures them in hours. That gap between what building used to take and what it takes now is where an entire industry gets restructured. Number 1 may be the most important invention of our generation.
When construction speed changes this dramatically, it doesn't just affect buildings. It changes housing costs, labor demand, and how entire cities grow.
Number 1. The Ocean Cleanup Interceptor. Every invention on this list solves a significant problem. This one solves an existential one. The Interceptor is an autonomous solar-powered system that captures plastic waste in rivers before it reaches the ocean. It floats on the surface, collects debris carried by the current, and deposits it into onboard containers. No crew, no fuel. It extracts up to 110,000 pounds of trash per day in heavily polluted waterways. The logic is precise. 80% of ocean plastic enters through rivers. Stopping it at the source is exponentially more effective than attempting to clean open water after the fact.
This works because it doesn't fight the ocean, it stops the problem before it ever reaches it. That single shift changes everything.
Interceptors are already operating in Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Jamaica. The results are measurable and verified. Every other invention on this list changes how we live. This one determines whether the planet we live on remains livable. That is why it is number 1.
The future doesn't wait for permission. It just becomes part of everyday life. Subscribe to High Tech Process, and I'll see you in the next breakthrough.